सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्निकल सपोर्ट चैनल को एंड जल्दी से बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए टेक्निकल सपोर्ट के वीडियोस को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you that how to create indent entries. So you know that from here you can create the indent entry. It's present in material management module. So open your IDs and open material management module, this one, and simply click daily entries and select indent entries. Okay, I'm in test mode, that's why it prompt that you're in test mode. Press OK. Yeah, this is the option. From here you can create a new indent entry. If you need, then you can modify the earlier indent entry or you can delete it. I want to create a new indent entry, so I'm just simply click new. Okay, hit enter. Yeah, it will ask for the type of cost center. Yeah, store type independent store, right? Okay, what is the date? This is the latest date, today's date. Hit enter. What is the reference? So here I'm simply type Mr. Rakesh, the reference, and choose the department. Yeah, this is the engineering department. Yeah, and here you go, choose your cost center. I choose the department of engineering, so that's why I have to choose the engineering department. Yeah, I call the electrical, that is called engineering department. Okay, and hit enter. So it down to the item code, item number, electrical and total, this row. So hit enter again and it will prompt you the indent entry module. It will ask for the store again. Choose the main store. Here is the item. Press F1 or you can double click over here. Yeah, it looks like a purchase requisition. Simply type item name, like I need light, so I type light and hit enter. Too many lights are present in main store, so choose whatever you need. I need traffic light, no, it's not present right now. A rope light with connector, I need that. Okay, I simply choose that. Last rate 23.34 is the rate. I just simply type some reference. Okay, hit enter. What is the quantity? I need 10 piece, so I type 10 in quantity, hit enter. Its value is 233.4. Hit enter, press confirm. Yeah, you can see this has been added to the indent entry option. So now if I'm going to add more thing, then we can hit enter over here, hit enter and do the same thing. And we can also double click over here for this option. Okay, now I don't need anything. I'm going to print this thing. I'm going to print this indent. So just simply click on save. Yeah, it generated the indent number. Just remember it, 73193. This is the indent number. Press OK button and you can directly print your indent from over here. Choose print and OK. I don't need it. I don't need the print right now, so I just choose the none and OK button. You just see when I exit this thing, you can see 73193. This is our indent number and it generated over here. And one thing, if you forgot the print or otherwise the printer is not working on that time, if you click print button, so mention not, you have another option to print your purchase requisition or part indent entries from here. Just follow me. It's lookup, select lookup and type print, print. Here is the print option. Yeah, here is the print indent. Choose and double click. Yeah, just simply type today's date, which date you have made this indent, and this is select unauthorized, and the cost center that you have selected, I selected electrical, you remember that, hit enter. Yeah, we have two code, and I remember that 73193, this is mine, so I simply tag it to yes. If you click on it, it will be changed to yes. If you click yes, then print item value and then press OK button. It will automatically display in front of you in Excel format. Otherwise, you can print directly by choosing your printer and choosing the option print. You can go for the continue. If you want to display this thing, just simply choose the display button and press continue. Just right. Yeah, here is the Excel format. Yeah, you can see this indent is in Excel format that you have made. Yeah, exactly this thing. So if this video help you, so then please subscribe to my channel and hit a like button. If you need any kind of help about material management and about Ids, so please leave a comment in my comment box. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.